Today, we're diving into the world of child safety with the Mifold Hifold Adjustable Kids High-Back Booster Car Seat in Racing Red. The world's most adjustable booster seat, featuring an impressive 243 individual settings to grow with your child from ages 4 and up. Accommodating weights of 40 to 100 pounds and heights of 43.5 to 59 inches. This booster seat is not only adjustable but also incredibly portable, thanks to its unique, multi-fold system that allows it to fold down into a compact size, making it perfect for travel, carpooling, and storage. Safety is paramount, and the Hifold ensures your child's security with optimal seatbelt fit and comfort, adjustable in 4 key areas: seat, body, head width, and height, all while utilizing ultra-lightweight EPE foam for superior impact resistance. It's been rigorously safety tested, meeting or exceeding NHTSA standard FMVSS 213, and is regulated for global use, except in Australia and Taiwan. This convenient and narrow booster seat is easy to use, making it ideal for older kids, grandparents' cars, or fitting 3 children in a row, and it has even won the 2019 Creative Child Product of the Year award. So, whether you're planning a road trip or just a quick ride to school, the Mifold Hifold Booster Car Seat is your go-to solution for safety and convenience on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.